Pawani of class 4A, and today I'm going to tell about animals and their characteristics. Like all of us have eyes, nose, lips, mouth, ears, hair and skin. Animals also have these characteristics. Now, an elephant has ears shaped like fans, eyes, and a big trunk which is like a big nose which helps it to breathe, eat, and carry things. It has tusks which is used to make ivory. It has 4 legs and it makes the sound trumpet, and it is a herbivorous. Now, a duck has a beak, eyes, and instead of hair, it has feathers on its skin. It has webbed feet and it also can swim. And it eats fish and grass. It's an omnivorous animal. And it quacks. A rabbit has cone-shaped and upward ears. A rabbit has eyes, nose, mouth, hair and webbed feet which helps him to hop. It makes the sound squeak and grunt, and it eats carrots. It's a herbivorous animal. We have pets like dogs. You know, a dog has ears, mouth, nose, eyes and 4 feet. A dog with a dog's eyes, he cannot see properly, but his smelling power is so strong, and this is the reason many detectives and police people take special trained dogs and to smell and find the missing people or criminals. A dog barks and it eats dog food. People will also be having cats in their house. A cat has ears, nose, mouth, eyes, and she eats fish and milk. She's an omnivorous animal and she makes the sound meow.